To show or display suggested apps when you are using Finder in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, go to app screen. Tap the search bar. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon on the right side of the search bar. And then select setting. Now, tap the gray on off switch next to show suggested apps to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. To see the result, go back to the Finder screen. Here you can see that your phone will show you some suggested apps to help you easily access them from the Finder. If needed, you can tap show more to see more suggested apps. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.